Hey guys, what you doing? Where you going? There's a fence. You can't go anywhere. Daisy, Bear. Daisy, what are you doing, girl? You should be playing. Go play with Bear. He looks bored. Get her. Get her. Bear. Better not mess with his corn. Bear. They got a little slide. They got some stairs to climb. Got that to climb all over. Got a lot of toys. Guys, want me to set up the playground? Huh? All right. Staring at me. Hey, Bear. You guys like water? Daisy. Oh, he likes the water. Bear. You're so silly. You guys are so silly. You're wondering what the heck just happened, aren't you? Now they're bathing themselves because they got water on them. They're bathing themselves. How about a ball? Yo, Bear's into it. Get it. You gonna get the ball? You gonna get it, Mom? What are you doing? Daisy. What are you doing? Get out of those webs, baby. Go play. Guys, you ready? Go get it. Digging holes. She's digging holes. He's exploring.